Hello everyone, this is Mohammad Sualeh from 4th year SMC. I'm the founding director of the Journal Club at the IMIG. My aim is to establish a journal club at SMC and where we discuss new guidelines of different diseases, new managements, and recent literature about any new guidelines, recent literature on any new management of current diseases. I also want to help out the juniors with their research activities, as I have found that there is a lack of a proper research network, or we can say infrastructure. Like juniors have a hard time starting their research journey at the SMC. Recently, we have just conducted an online workshop on a practical approach to data analysis. You guys can check it out on our YouTube channel. And inshallah, in future, we want to conduct many workshops on different aspects of research, how to start research, how to do literature search, how to go on about doing cross-sectional studies at SMC, how to go on about doing clinical studies at JPMC. For example, how to get your IRB approval at JSME or JPMC efficiently and without wasting your time. So this is it. The Journal Club will just kickstart your research journey and make it very easy and efficient. That's it.